Alright guys, so last night it rained a boat ton. And it just stopped here recently. Starting to dry up. So, yeah, let's really see if this thing has stopped leaking. There's nothing in there. Nothing up there. It's still a little bit damp under here. Not really sure why. It's been staying damp under here as well. But looks like where water runs down, drips off of this, runs down here, and then gets it wet. So, still gotta look at that. Now, let's look at this side. There's some drippages here on the door handle. Don't know where that came from. Let's just see. No, there's still water. Still water in there. But it's not as bad. But yeah. As long as I don't have water pissing on top of me, we're good to go. That's not bad. As y'all saw in the video, the water that I'm talking about literally floods into the Jeep.
This is why I hate my Jeep top. Why in the hell does it leak like it does?
Literally floods into the Jeep, and it's awful. So yeah, all this is dry. Usually this is wet. These are usually just water spots all down here. But anyways, also I want you guys to check this out. So here is the Jeep grill. All nice and purty, ready to go. I think that we've finally mastered how to paint. But anyways, that looks super killer. So the next time you see this grill, it's going right there. Anyways, that's it. That's the update. Take care. Keep Jeeping.